Hello, I'm Kevin with Pooli, and this is the Alpha IQ Plus, also known as the VRX IQ Plus. This is Polaris's latest, the 2020 model. It has directed sensor navigation, four-wheel drive. You can purchase it at any pool store locally, or you can find it through your pool service provider like Pooli. It comes with this fine sand silt canister, which is easy to remove and clean. As you see, it has a cleaning slot about 7 inches wide, so it can fit most sticks and debris and leaves. You can upgrade that canister to be ultra fine that cleans down to 5 microns. Pool cleaner itself weighs about 15 to 20 pounds. Included caddy weighs about 15 pounds. You can see it's easy to drop in the pool, and you press start on the caddy. You can also control it with the free iAqualink app. The iAqualink app is pretty great. It tells you when it's full, you can schedule cleanings, you can even remote control the pool cleaner from the app. It also shows you the current temperature of your pool and even updates your pool cleaner over your home Wi-Fi. I use my Alpha IQ Plus about once a week in high season. It cleans the floors and water line and even climbs ledges and steps. The first run, it learns your pool using the smart cycle. It remembers the size and shape and what's the most efficient way to clean your specific pool. It cleans my 30,000 gallon pool here in under 2.5 hours. That's directed navigation. My main gripe is that the cord can be a bit tedious to wrap around the caddy after each use. It'd be great if this thing were wireless. Would I recommend the Alpha IQ Plus? Absolutely. It was a huge upgrade for my pressure side cleaner. It saves me about 36 bucks a month in energy bill, so I'm not operating my 1.5 horsepower pump. I would rate this bad boy about a 9 out of 10 on usability, a 9 out of 10 on how well it cleans my pool, and a 10 out of 10 on the fun factor. When I'm done, I use the app to lift the cleaner out of my pool, or I press the button on the caddy, and it's easy to clean. I remove mine after each use and rinse it with the hose. And then I store it with the caddy in my shed. Also, after every use, I log it into my Pooli app to remember when my pool will need its next vacuum. The Pooli app also shows me a history of how often I've vacuumed over the course of the season. Pooli is very helpful because it has other features that tracks my chemicals, inventory, allows me to log notes, images, and lets me use my camera to scan test results. So check out the free Pooli app today in the App Store. Definitely stay safe out there and enjoy your pool. Lastly, hit us up with any questions about the Alpha IQ Plus. Definitely check it out. And don't forget to rate and subscribe to this video. Have a great day.